Last time, Louie and I got up early, waited in line, and got our passes in order to get out on a duck hunt with our friend Tua. We set up on a foggy morning and had ourselves a really good teal shoot. But the problem was, all we were getting were teal. Now, there's nothing wrong with getting a limit full of these little tasty ducks, but all waterfowlers want are what are termed big ducks. That widgeon was our first big bird of the morning. It was a bad snapshot, and I for sure saw it go down, but definitely injured. Now this is where I made a bunch of mistakes. My sling is caught, my gun is jammed, and we waste precious minutes waiting here to try to get it all done before we chase after this bird. At this point, I'm still hopeful. With Louie's nose, and with the general direction of where I saw that bird go down, we head out into the fog. But as the minutes go on, our chances of finding this bird get slimmer and slimmer. Eventually, even Tua joined the search for the bird. But it was to no avail. 20 minutes passed on the GoPro footage before the GoPro battery dies. This is my biggest fear. As a big game hunter, I am committed to making sure that I retrieve anything that I kill, and this hurts so much. But you can't just roll over and die. Louie's still in the game, and I've still got 2 more ducks to fill my limit. It's time to press on.
Get ready, get ready.
Although Tua had hit the bird with his first shot, I was not going to let this bird get away. With that lost widgeon still on our minds, it was time to chase after that duck. Our fears were founded. The duck had made its way to the levee and would have been out of our lives forever because of the thick brush. However, today we had an ace up our sleeves.
I forgot again. All right. Good kiddo. Hey, you did a good job, boy. You got it, huh? Good kiddo. Bring it here. Bring it. Bring it. Good boy. Yes, drop it. Good.
It's the smaller one. But it was the only one that did go down the group. He broke off from the group.
Yeah, he was already the lowest one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good kiddo. Yeah, you got him, huh? Beautiful duck, boy. Hey, look at the color. Look at the color on that opercle or whatever, the speculum. It's a blue color. This one's not purple. On this side's kind of purple. Look at that. Yeah. Hey, leave it. Okay. Well. Hey, it's rewarding. I'll tell you that. Would you like to do the honor? Oh, he got hit in the face.
Yeah.
Yeah. No jewelry.
If a big Drake mallard couldn't fix the mood, I don't know what would've. We were grinning like schoolboys who just got away with stealing candy. And like magic, the stories of past big ducks like mallards and pintails began to flow. One of the big draws of duck hunting is that you get that very social aspect. Aside from seeing cupped wings, I love this part of duck hunting the most. It's mid-morning now and the fog is finally lifted. The big birds have finally got a chance to fly. After spooking a flock of widgeon, we make haste for the tall grass. Although it's a little bit farther from the decoys, this will give us a better chance to hide. There's a flock of pintail circling us, but they're not as interested as two widgeon that have broken off from the group. Because the birds fell around a blind corner, I felt the need to go and check it out. However, my fears were unfounded because Louie had both ducks. In my short foray into duck hunting, widgeon have become one of my favorite ducks just because of the way that they decoy. They will suck straight into a spread as long as nothing scares them off.
That's how it is. That's not how it's supposed to be, that's how it is. Damn. Duck hunting easy. What you guys talking about, man? Big birds. Dang, dude. I saw them come in from way out there too. Did you see them? Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's right there. I was like, yeah, right there, man.
Red, bro. You got no wings.
You're, dude.
Look at that Panamaster. Everywhere.
Look at the wings and everything.
Yeah.
That guy was going nowhere. That guy's only good for feathers now. No any fly tires. Yeah, that's a pretty bird though. That was way too close for you, dude. Yeah. Yeah. I had a feeling you were going to shoot that one too. So I went for her. That makes it for earlier this morning. Lost one. Oh, battery's almost out of this camera too.
There wasn't too much time to pat ourselves on the backs though, because that group of pintails was circling right back. Round and round they would go, each time getting a little bit lower. It was clear that they were going to bug out. As they came in for one more pass, their lowest one yet, we decided to take our chance.
Louie, catch up bird. Go, catch him up. Check after check after check today, man. Yeah, you weren't gonna let those guys go. You were like, take this one, take this one. I'm like, dude, that's it. Come on, boy. Ooh, it's too big for him. Yeah, good boy. Good kiddo. Come on, kiddo. That's it. This is the last of my memory. Good boy, Louie. Good kiddo. Yes. Good boy. Good give. Good kiddo. Yeah. Bull sprig. Big kiddo. Get that kiddo. Short. He's the bull that was in front. Yeah. Look at that bull. The blood on his face. Ya big disgrace. Getting them pintails all over the place. Oh, I heard his call. At this point, dude, I'm gonna retire from duck hunting. Yeah, right. I'm just starting. This is like the color on this bull sprig, I don't even think that humans can actually really see this color. It's got a green, purple, and a brown. Look how pretty this. Look at that sprig. Yeah, look at that. My guide, mentor, right there. I'm telling you guys, man, this duck hunting stuff, it's easy. What a way to end the season. Now, on the next part of this hunt, you're going to see speckled bellies land right in the decoys. That's right next to this teal right there. Yeah. Yeah, this is how we do it, you know. Northern California. Or, Oregon. Private property.
With my limit down and big birds in hand, all that was left for Louie and I was to play retriever, as Tua would go on to get his own bull sprig too. I can say with no ego that definitively duck hunting is the most exciting of the hunting sports. I now understand why duck hunters make up the bulk of the hunting population. And although I've only begun to duck hunt, the season is over. Therefore, like all other duck hunters, I already can't wait for opening day. Alright, tonight we're doing surf and turf. This chunky trout is the first trout of the year. I'm going easy tonight. Classic herb lager mix. Don't always need to go fancy. Yeah, it's about enough right there. In the trash. Lager beer. Oh, mountains are blue. Means you can drink it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's about half the can. I think it's all. Yeah, there we go. The rest is for me. Duck breast. Beautiful duck breast. Actually, I'm lying. This is not duck breast. Any of you guys ever shoot a snow before, you will notice that blue hue. You know that. That's a snow goose. Alright, I'm gonna marinate this for a little bit. There you go. Skin side up. Let the meat marinate down there. It won't take too long. Alright, tabletop grill down. It's actually a tabletop burner. Oh, there's no gas. Wait, there is gas. Whoa. Dope. Let's set the grill here. Oh yeah. Alright, that butter's going brown. That trout's gonna go right on. Set them right across. Oh yeah. Starting to steam already. There's some king oyster mushrooms. Oh, lost one there. Set these guys right in with the trout while that. Okay, I think the mushroom's ready to flip. So they're getting there. Oh man, it's kind of weird to be cooking trout in a duck video, but why not, right? I guess this is a good segue into fishing season, because you know, all that hunting stuff you've been seeing, that was all fall for me. What a wonderful, wonderful hunting season. Let's see it. Ooh. And one move. Aha! Success. Focus. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. Oh, dude. Dun da da duck. I mean, goose. Snow goose.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh no. I lost the tender. Put it up there. We'll have it as a treat. Let's try skin side down first. Let's go. Woo! Keep this on it. That's a little trick I learned from Hank Shaw and his girlfriend, Holly, I think her name is. keep that press down on it just for a little bit so that it doesn't rise up. Okie dokie, in order to celebrate the end of a very beautiful hunting season, Founders All Day IPA. I've been hearing about this on the Hunting Dog podcast from Michigan. Somehow found its way all the way to California. So this thing traveled a far, far journey. And we're gonna enjoy them. Ready? Okay, here we go. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, well, it's really clean. Yeah, it's really, really clean. Shoot. Ooh, I'm scared I'm gonna betray some of my local breweries for this guy. Very drinkable. I will say, a little light, but man, I bet you if it was hot, about 90 degrees right now, that's what I'd be reaching for to cook. This guy is ready to be snacked on. I'm kind of hesitant to eat him right now as he is, just because it might be really hot, but I don't know. Here we go. Oh, dude. That marinade was spot on. Alright. So here's explained to me. One finger, press here. That's raw. You go 2 fingers here. That's medium rare. Or no, that's rare. This is medium rare. And this last one, that's well done. There's no way that'd be medium, right? Still bleeding. Well, whatever. Get it off that grill, get it out of the heat. And last but not least, our beautiful fish, Mr. Trout. Da, 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 da. So let's try some of this trout first while that steak of goose rests. Little Meyer lemon. The Meyer lemons are really sweet. They're very fragrant too. Hear Penny drinking her water in the background. Right there in the top. Oh yeah. I eat it with the skin. Oh dude. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Well, today we went fishing because they stocked the local ponds. I'm gonna tell you the truth, I went out there because I wanted to hear the ducks call. That's how addicting duck hunting is. The season's over, but I still want to hear duck calls. And so, we fished all day and we didn't have lunch. I'm telling you guys right now, let's try this right here. Oh man. Check it out. Get out of the light there, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Give it a shot. Oh, dudes. Snow goose. Excellent. Oh, okay, right here. I'm in a weird angle for you, but it's kind of a weird angle on the camera, but make sure you see that. And some potatoes. Now that the season's over, and look back on it, both deer hunting and duck hunting, I'll say each have their own merits. Duck hunting is way more technical, but deer hunting is way more physical. I miss both. Out.